Welcome back, guys. Rob from myppctraining.com. Today I wanted to make a video talking about what an average or a good click-through rate, or CTR, is when running a paid search campaign. And this goes for all PPC ads across the board. The industry standard is 2%. So they say if you're doing 2%, you're above average. I say ideally we want to be 5% at minimum. 5% or over is where you're going to be winning at. And as you can see here, we're in our white label campaign. Our overall campaign CTR click-through rate is 12.36%, which is good, but we can always do better. But if you go down and break it down to the ad group level, you can kind of get a feel for what we're looking at. So that's how it averages all out to 12.36, but some of them are better than others. And but like I said, ideally your absolute bare minimum, you want to be 2%. Anything below 1.5%, I would just pause and just throw it out. It's not, you got to be at 2% minimum. 5% should be your benchmark, where you want to have all your ads at least above 5%. Anything 10% or over, I consider that a win. I mean, this a few months ago, these CTR stats were like 30, 40s, 50%. But the more keywords you add in, the more match types, the lower they're going to go. In my opinion, at least, that's how I've seen it happen. So it's easy to have crazy CTRs when you have, an ad group with 4 exact match keywords in it, and the CTR is 80%. It's a little different when you got broad match keywords mixed in there with modified broad match and phrase and stuff. Then you're going to get, 13% is not bad for something with broad match keywords in it. So I can't complain. But yeah, that should be your benchmark should be 5%. Your absolute bare minimum should be 2%. Just fly around those guidelines there, and you should be okay. And that's really it. I don't really have much more to add on click-through rate. So it's kind of self-explanatory with what it is, how it works. I mean, I'm sure if you guys are watching this video, I'm sure I don't have to explain what click-through rate is. But yeah, so 2% minimum, 5% should be your benchmark. Anything over 10% is you're winning. All right. So as always, guys, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and check out the links in the description. I put a link to our free guide in there. It shows you how to optimize your AdWords campaign, and you'll be able to use that guide to turn around even the most shitty AdWords campaigns. All right? I'll see you guys in the next video.